Hi guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. This video here is all about decor. Before I get started, let me show you guys what I got from Marshall's. This one was $9.99. It is, I guess, a canister, like a jewelry canister or whatever you would like it to be. Now this one I could probably do the salt and pepper thing in. I'm not sure if I would though. It just depends, I don't know. But I got this one, and I got a bigger one like this one that I'm gonna show you in a minute. But look at this, so nice. Look at the inside, very cute. So, and I like the little gold stripes on top. And it's heavy, I like that. It's so heavy, it's nice. Oh yeah, this is the one I love. So this one was $29.99, and I'm gonna show you why. So it is in the shape of a heart, and look at that. Look, it's so nice. But not only that, but look at this. Ah, so cute. So this could be like a jewelry thing. I thought this was just like so cute. Look at that. That's so nice. This is so heavy, like your watches and stuff. This one is so heavy, but this, look at this one. Super nice. And then y'all, look at this. This is what I'm excited about. I'm excited about all my marble stuff. And I'm not gonna be basic and just have a house full of marble, but I can't resist those. But this is what I'm excited about. Let me show you. All this is made from India. I'm excited about this. Look at this turntable. Okay guys, I am out of the shower, and I wanted to come and show you the haul of the things that I got from the store. I have a full wagon of things, so let me get into that. Okay, so let's start. So these are things that I got from Goodwill, so let's look. So this basket was $3.98, and I really like it because look at the detailing on the sides with the little buckles. And this is really trendy now, especially in IKEA. They're starting to do this thing, and I know it's really trendy. So this is good. This will look good in the pantry or wherever I decide to put it. And I got this basket, which is really cute. It has like a indentation here so you can see through. I love that, and I like that it has a base at the bottom. So I got this one for $5.98 at Goodwill, and I think it's just that much because of the detailing. So this like sideboard thing, I was highly considering this, and I got it because I thought, why not put candles in here and make it a centerpiece on the table? So stay tuned for that. I'll probably make a video on how I decorate all this stuff when I get my house. But for this, I got this for $5.98. Very cool, and it has like velvet in the inside. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it like that, but I like this. It's very sturdy. And then I got these here. They're like little planters. I got this for $1.49 a piece. They're like real ceramic stone, so I really like that look. I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet, but I did like the way they look, so it's just good to have little things. It was only $1.98. So I got these little like soup bowls, but what I like about them is that they have the handles on both sides. So I got it in this like taupey color and a black color, and these were $2.98 a piece. Oh, sorry, this one was $2.98 and this one was $3.98. I don't know why it was a dollar difference, but very cute. These vases, so this is one of them. I don't plan to leave them like this, but they are a cute shape, so I didn't knock it for that. They were this one was $5.98, but the shape of it, that's what I was mainly looking at, and I plan on like painting this a different color, so stay tuned for that. And let me show you the other one. So this is the other shape. Like, how could you? Like, and I also got a price knocked off for this one because look at the chip. So yeah, so really like this one for its shape, and I like the other one. But if I paint these will look really good. So great buy. And this one right here was $5.98 as well. So that was a steal. I got this little like ceramic container. I plan on painting this as well, but for what it's worth, these are in style a lot, and like in normal shops you can get this like for $49. Who's about to pay that? What I paid for this was $4.98. So this container here, which I plan on doing, I wish they had two, but I plan on doing the detergent in here like so. So I'll have to find another one of these, which I think I have another one of these in storage. I'm not sure, but great deal. I got this for $5.98. And then what I actually came there for, let me show you. So I came there for picture frames, and basically this is what I got. So yay, those are all of my frames from Goodwill. Now we're gonna move on to IKEA. And I guess I'll just start with the frames from IKEA. So I got 3 of these. These are the Ribba frame. It's 41 times 51 centimeters. So yeah, love that. And as you can see, so I bought these before I went to Goodwill, and this is the look that I was going for. But I got like so many for cheap, and I think this one was $16 and some change at IKEA. So I got 3 of these. So I got this little like table jar. These are things that you'll probably put candles in, but I don't know for sure what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I just love the shape of it. Like, it's just, and then I got 3 of these baskets here. So I know this feels like it's like never ending. I got the hand piece. I'm not sure what I'll be making the hand out of or what symbol, but I thought this was pretty cool. Last but not least, I got 4 of these for my fridge. Okay, so I wasn't planning on showing you guys this because I didn't think I was gonna be able to get this upstairs. But I got this table at Goodwill for $15 freaking dollars. $15? Are you serious? So I probably won't keep the, I don't know. I might keep the wood, I'm not sure. The color of it, you know, but I think I might do like a black on top. The only thing about it is that it does this rock in here, which is an easy fix, but this was a steal. Like, what? I just love the gold on the bottom. Like, that's like so chic to me. But could be an end table, or it could be a middle console. I mean, it could be pretty much anything that you would want to make it. I just would change a few things and then put it in my house. It's a real easy fix. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul here. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel below. And please comment below if you like any of the things that I've gotten. If I didn't, I would like to tell you guys thank you for watching so far. Thank you for being supportive on my journey and my YouTube journey here. It's greatly appreciated. I hope today I encourage you guys to go to your local thrift stores. They have a lot of stuff that's coming back in style, like pretty much all the stuff that I got it for a discounted price just by going to my local thrift store. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.